Mega love shout out. Bakal ni kaamo ko kahapon. Merry Christmas to bakal na kulumpia, adobo nga manok, bihon, kag suman. Musta Jay? Imo ano ginano mo handa mo? Late Christmas da kanya. Inuobot ako. Laga ka damo nga luya. Kag butangan ka limon, kag honey. Sampat din na. Kapin pa kung makatol ay. Sa New Year baka mumanda. Imo nga live kagabi nagtambay. Oo, namin na sa luya, sliceon mo kagi pabukalan. Tapos inumon mo mainit-init pa. Kaya live mo kagabi, nakatambay lang ko tuwing tulugan ko. Why siya nag-viral kay hindi niya type ang video mo. Pahimo ka kay Lior sa tudlo ko. Kasi niya ako. Tangan mo aluminum fuel welder yan. Tapos tuslok-tuslokon. Gahon man na. Una-una, himo ka daw sang daw ilipante. Hindi niya type ang video mo, basta muna way viral. Dako ang W8 sinatag sa imo ito naglikadadlaw. 57K imong ano, bungga. Good morning, madam. I'm good. I'm eating my food.
Good health 2 times, not 1 time. Saha means good health 1 time. Sahten, double. I want in the morning.
What is that, brother?
I want my chia seed. And I want my lemon water a little bit, like half a glass.
Okay.
Not today,
Long time you didn't eat the chia?
because I gained 1 kilo.
Mm?
And I want the chia.
Hello.
Hi. Did you see my nail polish?
No.
Yesterday I put it on my bed.
Nail polish? I saw some nail polish in your bag.
Which one?
Black, I think.
Black?
Yeah, small.
Okay.
It's become little, this one, madam. What's the name you cook yesterday night? Lokia.
Yes, it doesn't finish.
It was a lot too much. Because they are smalls.